JCI Culture present Wow, the Wealth After Waste by Plastic City Free World webinar, distribution of plants, distribution paper bags, and much more. The bird feeder been prepared and distributed to all in town, and this is how the students were preparing in the lab the feeder and distributed to all. All young minds are doing the great job of helping towards the nature and contributing towards the society. You can see the joy over their faces. They are so much interested. Finally, it's serving the nation, it's serving the society, and service to humanity, the best work of life. This is what you have given input to these young minds, and they are working hard just to make sure that they are going right path, and their contribution to our society is good, little but best. And finally, they shall be helping this great India to achieve the positive change. They are very positively oriented by JCI Kurcharim. See the joy in their face. Wow, great. A webinar by name Chai Pe Charcha by JFM Ismail Sheikh Sarat was conducted by JCI Kurcharim to on making world free of plastic. The zone member, the people from locals, the students community, teenagers, zone officers and president attend the session, and their contribution was great. The NOM coordinators of JCI India, the past zone officers and past president from various LOM contributed in the following Chai Pe Charcha by JFM Ismail Sheikh Sarat, organized by JCI Kurcharim. A beautiful ideas, excellent ideas have been put up by all the participants, and same idea shall go to departments and to include in educational curriculum, so that at very young age the children catch up the use of plastic and how to prevent it, so that in soon coming years we'll find that the earth will be free of plastic. We aim in that sense and hoping to achieve a great success to make the world free of plastic. God bless us so that we can work hard in right direction to achieve the positive change. The distribution of plants to locals. The impact is that this tree shall grow into large tree and give the fruits to the society, and they shall remember JCI Kurcharim in years to come. It has two contributions, a trees and peace. The distribution of paper bags and cloth bags along with lots of stickers telling them the importance of paper bag and the importance of cloth bags, and asking them to use it, reuse it, refuse it. All the purpose is to get all together society together working towards plastic life and beautiful life to live ahead, and make this environment clean and nice, so that the climate changes shall happen at very slow rate, so the world coming ahead is full of peace and happiness. Thank you very much.